Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. As part of our paper stash smash, we were able to use whatever we wanted, basically. So I used some single sheets. We could have used digitals, but I'm trying to attack some of my single sheets in my stash. I had this Carta Bella paper, Sunflower Market, I think it was called. So one side had this tone-on-tone sunflower. What was on the other side of that one? I think the other side of that one was just these seed packets, like that. And then there was this turquoisey paper, and the other side of that was sunflower in a basket. So I just had two sheets, but since it was double-sided, I had 4 different patterns. So I'll just show you the cards real quick. I just made A2 size cards. I needed my stash thank you cards, so when I send out my Etsy orders, I have some cards. So, I mean, it doesn't have to say thank you, but smile was appropriate. So I just put the sunflower in the basket, this tone-on-tone, and I took sort of, that was a little border strip tone-on-tone, and cut one of the seed packets, layered it on some brown paper, and that made a nice little piece of ephemera. I played around with some of my other dies, so I had the smile, the thank you. Do I have anything inside these? Some I did. I just put that seed packet sort of thing. So again, same sort of thing. I just was making quick cards, just using up the paper, but I wanted to make sure I had something cool by the time I was done. So again, I love this die. I'll have to put it, link it below if they're still available. I also had in my stash this, which came from Hobby Lobby. It was just ephemera of sunflowers. Of course, it was a sticker. It took me 2 or 3 times to glue it down, realizing that I'm gluing onto what's the backing, and glue wasn't sticking, so I realized I could peel it off. So I added the sunflower. I mean, it doesn't go exactly, but it's close enough. Look, it works perfectly on here. So you can see I changed the size of what was on top, what was on the bottom. I didn't have a second border, and just one big sunflower. I thought that was pretty. Hello is appropriate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards using 2 sheets of paper and some ephemera and some dies, and I just used paper that was in my stash for that. So just a real quick project share showing you how to use papers in your stash, and I got 10 cards, so that will work for 10 orders. So that's what I have to show you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.